Are pigs really smarter than dogs? Do you know what the smartest animals in the world are? As science and technology continue to develop, people have discovered that some animals' abilities may surpass humans in certain aspects. For example, while humans can create sonar technology to track enemy submarines, many people don't know that dolphins are naturally equipped with this ability. The incredible abilities of many animals often far exceed our expectations. So, besides humans, who are the smartest animals in the world? In this video, you will learn about the 7 smartest animals on Earth. Number 7, the African grey parrot.
Are you famous? How about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster?
Native to Central Africa, the African grey parrot is one of the most intelligent parrot species in the world. It is also one of the few known animals that can have real conversations with humans. Note that it can converse, not just mimic human language. Studies have found that these parrots can remember hundreds of words and phrases and understand the meanings of some of them, enabling them to engage in conversation to a certain extent. Besides mimicking human speech, they can also imitate the sounds of other birds and mammals. According to research by an American scientist, African grey parrots have the ability to learn words, distinguish objects, colors, materials, and shapes.
Can you do a horse? Good. Can you fall down? Did that hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? Einstein, can you help me call the dogs?
Come here, come here, come here.
Good.
Their cognitive level in some tasks is almost equivalent to that of a 4 to 6-year-old human child. Beyond cognitive skills, these parrots can perform various tasks such as categorizing objects by color and matching different objects to corresponding pictures. Their exceptional speaking ability makes African grey parrots popular pets in many parts of the world. However, this leads many people to capture them for profit, resulting in high mortality rates. It is estimated that 21% of wild African grey parrots are captured by humans annually, and the mortality rate of these captured parrots is as high as 60%. Consequently, in 2016, the International Union for Conservation of Nature listed the African grey parrot as an endangered species. Number 6, the crow. In many places, crows are considered ominous birds. Humans seem to have an inexplicable fear of this species. Indeed, it is advisable not to provoke a crow in the wild because if they see and remember your face, the consequences can be dire. Crows are known as one of the smartest animals in the world. They are the only non-primate animals known to make and use tools. Scientists have observed crows using branches as bait to lure prey out of holes. If the prey doesn't take the bait, the crow will bend the branch into a hook with its beak to pull the prey out. Remarkably clever. The famous story of the crow drinking water is not just a fable. Crows indeed possess this ability. Scientists have tested this by placing food in a deep container and providing crows with stones of varying sizes and densities. The crows were able to accurately judge which stones would fit in the container and which would get stuck. They would place the denser stones in the water to raise the water level and get the food, demonstrating problem-solving skills that even a 3-year-old human child might not have. Crows also understand the concept of traffic lights. In a Japanese intersection, people observed crows waiting for traffic lights to change. When the lights turned red, the crows would place their walnuts under car tires. When the light turned green, the cars would crush the nuts, and the crows would quickly fly down to eat them, an impressive display of intelligence. Additionally, crows have strong facial recognition abilities. If you accidentally anger a crow, it may remember your face and share it with other crows, putting you on their attack list. They are known to hold grudges, so it's best not to provoke crows in the wild. Octopuses possess intelligence that can be quite unsettling to humans. From a physiological standpoint, octopuses look like monsters. Some scientists once believed octopuses were not from Earth due to their bizarre appearance and extraordinary intelligence. Octopuses are often considered the smartest invertebrates on Earth. They have 3 hearts and 2 memory systems, one connected to the brain and another to the suction cups on their tentacles. They also have 9 brains, with each tentacle having its own brain. With up to 500 million neurons and highly sensitive tactile receptors, octopuses exhibit remarkable cognitive abilities. Octopuses can solve many problems that are challenging for other animals. They can unscrew jar lids and escape from tanks using their tentacles. They can also change their color to camouflage themselves as various plants and animals. Furthermore, their tentacles can regenerate if severed. Studies have shown that octopuses are solitary from birth, and octopus mothers do not teach their offspring basic survival skills. Young octopuses must quickly learn essential skills on their own. Some experts estimate that octopus intelligence might be comparable to that of a human toddler, though this is just a rough estimate. Their actual intelligence could be far beyond our expectations. Number 4. You might find it hard to believe, but the average IQ of pigs can reach between 70 to 85. Which is equivalent to that of a 3 to 5-year-old human child. In fact, they might be smarter than most dogs. Studies have shown that pigs can quickly understand the functionality of mirrors and use reflections to observe their surroundings. Moreover, pigs can perform nearly all the tricks that circus animals can do, such as jumping through hoops and spinning, with little difficulty. Pigs have strong learning abilities and excellent memories. Once they learn a new skill, they rarely forget it. Pigs can remember events that happened several months or even years ago. Biologists have found through genetic research that pigs share many similarities with humans in various aspects. For instance, a pig's heart is quite similar to a human's heart, and their teeth resemble human teeth as well. Pigs also enjoy lying around and, if given the chance, might even take up smoking, drinking, and watching TV just like humans. Some pigs, after being trained, can learn to dance, play the drums, and even paint. They can stand upright and push carts like dogs. Clever pigs can be used as police pigs and drug-sniffing pigs, and they typically take less time to train than dogs, indicating that pigs have better comprehension skills. In addition to their intelligence, pigs can also serve as guards like dogs. In the United States, some people use pigs to protect their farms instead of dogs. Pigs are also known to be effective against snakes. Experiments have shown that pigs have a natural ability to ward off snakes. Their thick fat layer usually prevents snake venom from entering their bloodstream, making them immune to fatal snake bites. Instead of fearing snakes, pigs actually enjoy eating them. So, pigs are not the lazy and dumb animals they are often portrayed to be. They are, in fact, a highly intelligent species. Number 3, elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals currently in existence, and they have the largest brains among land animals. The number of neurons in an elephant's brain is 3 times that of humans, giving them extensive cognitive abilities and the capacity for complex thoughts and emotions. Elephants are known for their remarkable memory, capable of recalling locations of water and food for many years. Even after a long absence, they can still remember these places. Elephants, like humans, are emotional animals and experience a wide range of emotions, such as happiness, sadness, anger, and grief. They are observed to be highly altruistic, often helping humans or animals in distress. In some Southeast Asian countries, elephants have been domesticated and assist humans with various tasks. Elephants also seem to perform rituals for their deceased, staying near the body of a dead elephant for several days. During this time, young elephants may appear to cry, and others gently touch the deceased with their trunks, seemingly bidding farewell. The herd then covers the body with leaves and dirt before gradually leaving. Elephants' intelligence is evident in their problem-solving skills, such as unlocking doors or using branches and rocks as tools. Their intelligence is estimated to be similar to that of a 4 to 5-year-old human child. Number 2, Bottlenose dolphins. Bottlenose dolphins are the most common and intelligent species of dolphins, widely distributed in temperate and subtropical oceans. They can grow up to 2.9 meters in length and weigh up to 350 kilograms. Their brain size is comparable to that of humans, and they possess self-awareness, able to recognize themselves in mirrors, a test that most animals, including cats and dogs, fail. Bottlenose dolphins are among the few marine animals that use tools. In Australia, dolphins have been observed wrapping sea sponges around their rostrums to protect them from sharp objects. They also teach this skill to other dolphins. Their learning ability is superior to most monkeys. A technique that might take a monkey hundreds of trials to master can be learned by dolphins in just 10 to 20 trials. They have an excellent understanding and learning capacity, and their natural sonar system allows them to locate objects through echolocation. Research has shown that the dolphin sonar system is powerful enough to detect distant shark threats and analyze the shape, size, speed, distance, and location of objects through echoes, aiding in hunting and self-defense. Dolphins' behavior of rescuing humans is instinctual, as they enjoy pushing floating objects on the water's surface. When they see a person in the water, they instinctively push them to the surface. They exhibit similar behavior towards other animals, such as pushing their peers, turtles, or even floating debris. Regardless of the reason, dolphins undeniably possess a high level of intelligence. Number 1, Chimpanzees. Undoubtedly, chimpanzees are the smartest animals on Earth after humans. Like us, they belong to the Hominidae family. Chimpanzees can use tools just like humans and exhibit behaviors and social interactions very similar to ours. They modify sticks, stones, grass, and leaves for hunting and gathering food. Chimpanzees have been observed making sharp sticks to stab small mammals for prey. Their behaviors are reminiscent of early Homo sapiens. Research has revealed that the chimpanzee genome is 98.5% similar to the human genome, with only a 1.5% difference in genes. In theory, blood from an Rh-positive chimpanzee could be transfused to a human with the same blood type. However, due to potential viruses in chimpanzee blood, this practice is avoided. The small genetic difference determines who is outside the cage and who is inside. Some chimpanzees have an IQ of up to 85, nearly matching that of a normal human. They also have superior spatial memory and problem-solving abilities, and can use complex gestures to communicate, demonstrating their high intelligence. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.
Ha ha ha!